how to deactivate X account. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Do you want to take a break from X by deactivating your X account? If so, you are in the right place. Without further ado, let's learn how to deactivate X account. Open X on your device. You will land on its official homepage. Tap on the circle with your profile picture at the top left corner. Open the Settings and Support drop-down menu. Scroll down a bit. Select Settings and Privacy. Tap on Your Account option. Here, you will see the Deactivate Account option. Tap on it. Keep in mind that you will only have 30 days to restore your X account once you deactivate it. So make sure you reactivate your account within the time frame. To deactivate the account, tap on Deactivate. Now, you will need to enter your password to confirm X account deactivation. I have copied it, so I will simply paste it over here. Once your password is entered, finally tap on Deactivate. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking deactivate your account. Tap on Yes, Deactivate. And there you have it, you have successfully deactivated your X account. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.